Listening to me? Listening to me? Am I audible?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Have you go through that video? Questions which explains the questions of the test.
Sir?
Have you watched it? I sent you a link.
Yes, sir. I watched it. Half an hour. I have 15 more minutes to complete the video.
Okay. Have you understood? Questions?
Yes, sir. I'm understanding it little by little. If not,
Yeah.
I'm replaying the question again.
How many questions are there totally?
I think they're like 10 or 8, no, sir.
Okay, right. See, can you see the questions? Question now?
Yes, sir. The distance between the straight line y equals mx plus c1, y equals mx plus c2 is
Audio is
mod c.
different today.
And
Device is changed.
no, sir, I have to connect it from my iPad. I'm connecting.
Laptop.
No, sir, I'm on my phone now. I have to connect from my iPad.
Okay. Voice is somewhat different. Audio is
Yeah.
okay. We did many problems in straight lines. After the two chapter, you prefer permutations and combinations and probability in the series. Previously, we did a very little number of, very few number of questions in permutation and combinations and probability.
Yes.
So this time, I collected some questions from
Report in progress.
Yes, sir.
anyhow. May I prepare a test from the questions? which we discussed only. I'm preparing a
But
question paper.
permutations and that's it.
No, straight lines, straight lines.
Straight lines, sir. Okay, I'll try, sir.
Yeah, try. You can do it. And next, would you like to start permutations and combinations and probability in that series? This
Yes,
time,
yes, sir.
yeah, right. Okay. Actually, I start today, but I give information to you. Or if you have any choice, we will start that chapter.
No, sir. Right now, I have no choice.
Yeah, I think you are in you are engaged in a project or something like from school, from college.
The assignments, yes, sir. Now I have assignments, projects, and tests together,
Okay, right, right.
all together, and also someone. So like, actually, I have to have holidays from next week, Friday onwards. But all of a sudden, they change it to Thursday, so they're pressurizing more work out of it.
Okay. In holidays, you have plenty of work or free.
No, sir. No, sir. In holidays, we don't have much work.
Yeah, right. Okay.
I
Can
have
you
to prepare.
can you ask this question?
The distance between the straight lines y equals mx plus c is then m is.
Yeah. The distance between the straight lines. First of all, please check whether those two lines are parallel or not. Are these two lines are parallel?
Yes, sir.
How can we say?
The x coefficient and the y coefficient are same,
Very good.
and only the constants are changing.
Do you remember the formula to find the distance between parallel lines? Mod
So
of
is parallel lines mod of
C1 minus C2.
by root a square plus b square.
Right. What is C1? C1 is C1 and C2 is C2 in this question. Right?
Yes, sir.
So mod of C1 minus C2, that is C1 minus C2, by the square root of A square plus B square, right?
Yes, sir.
A square means X coefficient. What is X coefficient?
M
Yeah. A square means M square.
m square
Plus B square means Y coefficient.
y square.
What is Y coefficient actually?
1, sir.
Yeah, actually it is minus 1. You know why? It is mx
mx plus c. Yes,
mx
sir.
minus y plus c1 is equal
Equals 0
to, and mx minus y
plus c2
is equal to 0.
is
So
0.
y coefficient is minus 1. But square, by squaring, minus becomes plus.
Yes, sir.
So m square plus 1 is equal to, it is a perpendicular distance, sorry, distance. The distance between those two parallel lines is given as mod of C1 minus C2. The distance is given as mod of C1 minus C2, right?
Yes.
It is not the formula, it is the distance. This distance
Yes.
is the question, right? Now you can cancel these two terms. These two terms are cancelled.
Yes, sir.
After cancellation, we left with 1 by
Root 1 over root
yeah,
m
1
square
over yeah, 1 over root of m square plus 1 is equal to 1 only, right?
Yes, sir.
By cross multiplication, it is root over m square plus 1 is equal to 1 only. Keep on doing on
Plus
the
1 equals.
squaring on both sides.
Yes. So squaring on both sides, m
Yeah.
square plus 1 equals 1.
Yeah.
M square equals 0.
Yes.
So m is
So m is equal to,
0, sir.
that's good. Option, mark the correct option.
Option 1.
That's it. Very good. there is a relation between side and height of let us prepare a question. Let us prepare a formula to find the area of a equilateral triangle. What's the formula of area of equilateral triangle actually?
So is it
Area of equilateral triangle.
no, sir? Base times height.
You know.
√3 over
Yes.
2.
Go ahead. That's good.
Or √3 over 2 times A.
See. It is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means all the sides are equal.
Yes, sir.
It is an equilateral triangle. Side, side, side. All the three sides are equal. This is small a. This is small a. This is small a. There is a formula to find the area of this triangle. Can you tell?
I don't know, sir. Root.
Root 3.
I remember √3 over.
Root 3 over 4 a square.
Okay.
Yeah. Please tell what's formula to find the area of equilateral triangle.
√3 over 4 A square.
What is a here?
Sides.
Side. Now we are creating a formula to find area of equilateral triangle when height is given. This formula is used when side is given. If side is small a, if side is small a, its area is √3 by 4 a square, right?
Yes.
Now, side is not given or side is not known, but height is given. Then how to find the area? Right. Let's think. See, do you remember Pythagoras theorem?
Yes, sir.
Side square plus side square is equal to hypotenuse square, right?
Yes.
It is height.
Yes.
Actually, side is a.
Yes.
But it is a by 2. Half of the side is a by 2, right?
Yes.
Now it is h. Let us find a relation between. Let us find a relation.
So is it the same thing? √3 over A. Sorry, √3 over 2A equals h. Is it that one?
Yes. That is the relation, right? Do you know the relation? Do you remember the relation?
So you told me in the last class.
Yes, right. Let us take this part of the triangle. This part of the triangle is taken, right? It is a right angle triangle.
Yes.
Right angle triangle, we can use Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? Side square plus side square is equal to hypotenuse square.
Yes, correct.
Side square plus side square is equal to hypotenuse square. It is right angle triangle, right? Okay. What are the sides? A by 2 and h are sides.
Yes, sir.
What is the hypotenuse?
A square, sir.
Yes. Now, use Pythagoras theorem. Using Pythagoras theorem, h square,
plus A square over 4
is equal to a square.
equals A square.
Now, h square is equal to
A square minus A square over 4.
a square minus a square over 4. By simplifying, LCM is 4.
4A square minus A
Minus
square.
Is equal to 3a square.
Yes.
By 4. 3a square over 4, right? All this is equal to h square.
Yes, sir.
H is equal to 3a square by 4.
Yes.
Taking square root on both sides. Root h square is equal to h only.
Yes.
Root of 3a square by 4 is √3 by 2a.
Yes.
It is a relation between height and side. If we want to find height, h is equal to √3 by 2a.
Yes.
Or if we want to find a, that means a is equal to 2 by √3h. The formula to find side is a is equal to 2 by √3h. The fraction will be reciprocal, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, actually the formula is √3 by 4 a square, okay?
Yes, sir.
In the place of A, we can write 2 by root 3h. Replace A by 2 by root 3h. What happens now? Root 3 by 4 times A square. What is A here?
2 over root 3, sir.
Yeah, 2 over root 3 h whole square.
Yes.
Square is there. So square, whole square, that is 4 by 3. Agree?
Yes, sir.
We are squaring it. Squaring it. What is square of 2?
4,
4.
sir.
Square of root 3?
3,
3.
sir.
Square of h? H square.
H square.
Any cancellations?
4 and 4, sir.
Yeah. So the final answer is root 3.
Root 3 over 3.
Root 3 over 3 h square.
Yes.
Or simply 3 means root 3 times root 3, you know. Root 3 times root 3 is 3 only. You know why?
Yes, sir.
See, what's the value of root 3 times root 3? Root 3 times root 3 is 3.
3, sir.
How? Root 3 times root 3 is root 9.
Root 9 is 3, sir.
So 3 can be written as root 3 times root 3, right?
Yes.
So here 3 is there. 3 is written as root 3 times root 3. Root 3 can cancel. The answer is it is square by root 3.
Square over root 3.
So it is a new formula. It is formula to find the area of an equilateral triangle when h is given. So we have two formulae to find the area of equilateral triangle. One formula is if side is given. If side is given, area of equilateral triangle is root
3 over 4 a square.
When height is given, when h is given, area formula
H square over root 3.
H square over root 3, right? It is another formula. If h is known, use this formula. If side is known, use this formula, right?
Yes. Yes.
Now, coming to the question, the equation of the base of an equilateral triangle is x plus y is equal to 2. So it is an equilateral triangle. Equation of base is x plus y is equal to.
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Now, vertex is 2, minus 1. Do you remember there is a formula to find this perpendicular distance? Perpendicular distance from the point 2, minus 1 to the line x plus y is equal to. Can you tell?
Root L
No.
alpha mod L alpha plus
Yeah. That's good.
beta
That is
plus n
by root of L square plus M square. Right?
L square plus m square.
That is nothing but replacing xy with x coordinate and y coordinate. Tell now. L
Yes.
alpha means x in x plus
Mod,
right?
yes, sir. Mod 2
minus
x.
1.
Yes, I got it. 2
minus 2.
minus 1
minus 2.
minus 2.
Plus 2 will become minus 2 if we bring it to left hand.
Yes.
By the square root of some square.
2 square.
No, x coefficient 1.
No, 1 square.
1 square plus
square plus 1 square.
So its answer is
negative 1s.
Negative?
Is it negative 1, sir?
Yeah. No.
Once.
Because mod is there. Since mod is there, negative 1 will become positive 1.
1 over root 1?
Root 1 or root 2?
Root 2.
Root, right. 1 over root 2.
Yes.
What is this? It is h.
Yes.
It's equal to h. So h is given. H is known. Then please tell what is area. Area is asked.
Over root 2 whole square over root 3.
Area formula is
h square over root 3 whole square.
H square means what? H equal 1 by root 2. H square means 1 by root 2 whole square
Root 2 whole square over root 3.
Over root 3, right? Very good. Can you simplify it?
Yes, sir. So it's 1 over 2
Whole by
root 3. That's 1 over 2 times
no,
root 1.
No. It is actually root 3 by 1. 1 by root 3. It becomes 1 by root 3.
Yes.
1 second. Yes, we know.
Yes, sir. I got it. Can do it mentally.
Yeah, 1 by 2 root 3. Yeah. Can you tell the option?
1 over 2 root 3.
Yeah. But 1 over 2 root 3 is not there. So we can rationalize this term. That means multiply numerator and denominator by root 3. Numerator and denominator is multiplied by root 3. See.
So root 3 over root 3.
Yes, root 3 over root 3. The numerator will be root 3, denominator will be, you see, root 3 by 2 times
3, sir. So it's 6. Root 3 over 6.
Root 2 over 6. Option?
Option 2, sir.
Same can be done in a different way, in a traditional way. That is, formula to find area is root 3 by 4 a square. Agree?
Yes, sir.
But we don't know a.
Yes, sir.
There is a formula to find a. Formula to find a is
2 over root 3.
2 over root 3 times h. So a is equal, how to find a? A is equal 2 over root 3 times h. H means 1 over 2.
No.
So it is actually 2 by root 6. Sorry, yeah, 2 by root 6 is 2 by root 6, right? Now use this formula. That formula is root 3 by 4 a square. Root 3 by 4 a square. A square means 2 by root 6 whole square, right?
Yes.
What is 2 by root 6 whole square? 4 by 6. 2 square 4, root 6 whole square 6, right?
Yes.
4 cancel. We left with
root 3 over 6.
Yeah, that's the answer. Option same.
Option 2.
That's good. Now, have you understood? The
Yes.
two different ways of finding area of
The equilateral triangle.
when side is given or when height is given. Right. Let's come to the point. Few more angles are there for trigonometry that are I am telling.
Yes.
Sin 18 have values. Do you remember table? Sin 30, sin 45, sin 60.
No, sir. With my hand.
I told you.
No, sir.
Only tan. I
Yes.
also told how to find those values with fingertips.
Yeah, sir. You told me with fingerprint.
All those values 0, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60, 90.
Yes, sir.
Its continuation, its next level is sin 18 degrees. Sin 18 degrees is root 5 minus 1 by 4. And cos 36 degrees value is root 5 plus 1 by 4. Now, let me remind you of one formula that is about, it is x-axis, it is y-axis, see it is x-axis, y-axis, now it is a straight line, whose equation is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Right?
Yes, sir.
Then area covered by area covered by this line with coordinate axis. Area formed by this line with coordinate axis. This is the area.
Yes.
This area, there is a formula to find this area. Area covered by ax plus b5 plus c with coordinate axis is. Do you remember that formula? The formula is sorry.
Bless you.
Formula is c square by 2 mod ab.
Yes.
By 2 mod ab, right?
Sir.
Now,
C square over 2 mod AB. Yes, sir.
what is given equation? It is the given equation, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Sine 18 degrees is root 5 minus 1. Root 5 minus 1 by 4 into x. So what is a here? This is a, right?
5.
Next, what is b? Root 5 plus 1 by 4 into y. What is b?
Root 5 plus 1.
1 plus 1 is equal to 0. Now tell area delta is equal formula.
C square by 2 mod AB, sir.
Yeah, c square by 2 mod ab. Very good. Tell that c square by 2 mod ab.
So 1 square over 2 mod root 5 minus 1 by 4 times root 5. So it's 5 minus 1
C
over
square
6.
means 1 square. 1 square by
1 square by 5 minus 1 over 16, sir.
yeah, root 5 minus 1 by 4
Times.
root 5 plus 1 by 4.
Yes.
Here 2 goes 2 times. Now it is equal to 1 by. Do you remember the formula a minus b into a plus b?
Yes, sir.
What is that formula?
A square minus B square.
A square minus b square, right? A square minus b square means 5 minus 1.
Yes, sir. 5 square.
8.
Yes, sir.
Yes, you know a square minus b square. A square means root 5 whole square.
Yes, sir.
Minus 1 square.
Minus 1 square.
Root 5 whole square is 5.
5.
1 square 1, right?
Yes.
So it is equal to 1 by 4 by 8.
Yes, sir. So half.
Half. 1 by half means
1 times 2 over 1.
2 by 1. 2 by 1, right?
Yes.
Answer is 2 by 1. 1 by half
Yes.
is reciprocal. Reciprocal is
2 over 1. So
now,
option is 2.
option is 2. Clear? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Now, do you remember basic formula in trigonometry, that is cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1?
1. Yes, sir.
Can you read this question?
The incenter of the triangle formed by the lines x cos A plus y sin A is equals 5. X cos B plus y sin beta. Oh, sorry, it's beta. Beta equals 5. X cos y plus y sin y equals 5 is alpha comma beta. Then alpha plus beta is.
Right. What is incenter?
So the triangle and the circle and the center of the circle.
Yeah, center means see it is a triangle, right?
Yes.
It need not be equilateral, whatever triangle it may be, right?
Yes.
For this triangle, this is called incircle.
Yes.
This is called incircle, right? This is center of that incircle.
Yes.
This is center of that incircle.
Yes.
Now see, this is the distance of that center from this side. Distance of center from this side.
Yes.
This is distance of center from this side.
Yes.
Since it is a circle, all the radii are same.
Yes.
This is called in radius. Of course, all the three are same.
Yes.
The incenter of the triangle, incenter is not given. Incenter of the triangle is given as alpha comma beta. It is incenter. Right?
Yes.
The incenter of the triangle formed by the line so and so is alpha comma beta. What is asked actually? Alpha plus beta is asked.
Alpha plus beta.
Alpha plus beta is asked. So here the trick is we can guess this point without calculation. See, please tell what's the distance of 0, 0. As you know, the distance formula is L alpha plus M beta by root of L square plus M square, as you told.
Yes.
The point is 0, 0, and the line is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to pi, which means x cos alpha plus y sin alpha minus pi is equal to 0, right?
Yes.
There is basic formula in trigonometry, that is cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. We can use this formula. Right. Now, find the distance of this line from the point 0, 0. That is mod of L alpha. Means we should write x 0 in the place of x.
Yes.
What happens? 0. L alpha is 0, right?
Yes.
M beta means 0, right?
Yes.
Minus pi.
Yes.
By the square root of a square, L square plus M square means L means cos alpha.
Yes.
M means sin alpha. Root of L square plus M square means cos square alpha plus
Sin square
alpha. Mod of minus pi is pi only.
Yes, sir.
By what's formula? Cos square alpha plus sin square alpha?
1, sir. Root 1 is 1.
1. So it is equal to pi. So this distance is pi.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, all the distances are pi only. Let's find. Let us check. What is the distance of this line from 0, 0? Same. Mod of 0 plus 0 minus pi by the square root of cos square beta plus sin square beta.
Yes, sir.
What is cos square beta plus sin square beta? 1 only. So it is just pi.
Yes, sir.
It is also pi. If we find, we understand that this distance is also pi.
Yes, sir.
So all three distances are equal.
Yes, sir.
From which point?
From the centers.
Yeah,
0,
from center 0, 0 is guessed, not calculated.
Yes, sir.
We guessed that the distance from 0, 0 to the three lines is same. That's why this is in center only.
Yes.
The point which is equidistant from three sides is called in center, which
Yes.
is center of incircle. The center of incircle is equidistant from the three sides.
Yes.
So what is in center for this triangle?
The equidistance from these sides.
Center of the triangle is, center of the circle is
0,
0, 0. The center of the circle is given as alpha, comma beta.
Yes, sir.
So what is alpha and what is beta?
The center of the circle?
Yes, it is. We found that the center is 0, 0. Because
Yes,
0, 0 is equidistant from the three sides.
Yes, sir.
In the problem, it is given that the center is alpha, comma beta. When we compare these two points, what is alpha?
0, sir.
What is beta?
0, sir.
What is asked in this question?
Alpha plus beta, that's 0 plus 0.
That's it. Alpha plus beta is equal to 0 plus 0. Answer is 0 only.
0. Yes, sir.
Do you have trigonometry in our board syllabus?
Not this year, sir.
Previously, or 10th or 9th?
10th grade, sir. Yes, sir. I had it. But we didn't have it this way, sir.
Not that. It's not trigonometry. It is a geometry only.
Oh, for us, the trigonometry and geometry is combined, sir.
Okay. Will you have trigonometry in the next year?
No, sir. We have pre-calculus. Oh, yeah. We have trigonometry in pre-calculus.
Yeah, if you have trigonometry, and I strongly recommend you to get the book SL Loni trigonometry. It is very, globally it is well known. SL Loni is famous author, mathematics author. Get the it is available in Amazon. Indian currency, it is around 100 rupees or something like that, 140, 150. What about American currency? If Indian currency is around 150, 140, like that, it may
will
be
be more soon, sir.
$1 or $2.
No, sir.
Yeah, Indian currency is 140 rupees. $1 is equal to 70 or 80 rupees.
But it won't be the exact money, sir.
Not that type of comparison.
No, sir. It will be more. Whatever stuff is less in India is more over here.
Okay.
The living cost.
Yeah. Maybe I think, yeah. I thought that it is 140 rupees is equal to $1.5 or something like that. Not calculation is not that. Different calculation. Yeah, price of depends upon.
Even yes, sir. Even if it's a dollar is 80 rupees, but when the conversion happens over here for the same product, exporting charges and all that, the charges include. It extends.
Okay, right. Yeah, that's very useful book. High standard book. Right.
Yes.
The point. See, we can understand the equations which are these parallel or not. I told you one trick to estimate to say whether two lines are parallel or not. How can we say whether two lines are parallel or not?
Checking the coefficients of the x and y.
X coefficient and y coefficients are same. Clearly, those are parallel lines. Got it?
Yes, sir.
And now see, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is a line. This is parallel to ax plus by plus c1 or something else. These two lines are parallel lines. Okay?
Sure.
Because these two lines differ only in constant. Now I am showing a different line, that is bx minus ay plus c2 is equal to 0. See, actually coefficient of x is a. That x coefficient has become y coefficient. Y coefficient has become x coefficient. And the middle side is changed, plus to minus.
Yes, sir.
That means tell another equation for Lx plus My plus N is equal to 0.
Mx plus Ly
minus
minus Ly
plus some N1 or something like this. These two are perpendicular lines.
Yes, sir.
These two are perpendicular lines.
Yes, sir.
What is the perpendicular line of 6x plus 7y is equal to 9? A line perpendicular
7x minus 6y
7x minus 6y.
minus 9 equals 0.
Yeah, 7x minus 6y minus 9 is equal to 0, right? Got it?
Yes. Yes.
See, have you found any pair of perpendicular lines in the given sum? You may say no. Out of these three lines, have you noticed any perpendicular lines? First line, second line, third line. Directly no. But you can multiply this equation by 2.
Yes, sir. That's what I was figuring out which equations.
Right.
Yes,
What?
sir. The first one goes with the third one.
Yes, that equation is when we multiplied by 2, 6x plus 4y, sorry, 6x plus 8y minus 14 is equal to 0.
Equals 0.
This is 8x minus 6y plus 1 is equal to 0.
Yes.
So clearly these two lines are perpendicular lines.
Yes.
So a triangle is made with the two perpendicular lines. These are two perpendicular lines. What about the third side? Obviously, the third side is this line.
Yes, sir.
If you take the first equation as 3x plus 4y minus 7 is equal to 0 is the first line. The second line,
Yes.
8x minus 6y plus 1 is equal to 0. What's the equation of third line?
Square the hypotenuse Pythagorean theorem.
Of course. The remaining line is 3x minus y plus 5 is equal to 0. So this line is
3x minus y plus
3x
5.
minus y plus 5 is equal to 0, right? Now, equation of the diameter of the circumcircle. So one circle is drawn connecting three vertices.
Yes, sir.
This circle is called circumcircle.
Yes, sir.
As you know, in previous class in high school, there is a theorem in geometry that is, if you take any circle, it is a half circle, semicircle.
Yes, sir.
Angle in that semicircle is 90 degrees only.
Yes, sir.
It's 90 degrees. This is called angle in semicircle is 90 degrees. If you take any semicircle, for example, it is another semicircle. If you take any point, connect that point with the ends of diameter.
Yes,
That angle is 90 degrees only. So here, previously, we know that this angle is 90 degrees. How can we say that this angle is 90 degrees? Because clearly these two lines are perpendicular lines by observation. By observation,
yes.
these two lines are perpendicular lines. So this angle must be 90 degrees.
90 degrees.
See, if it is semicircle, this angle is 90 degrees. It's vice versa. If it is semicircle, it is a semicircle, its angle is 90 degrees. Its reverse is, if the angle is 90 degrees, it is a semicircle.
Yes.
What is semicircle? See, this is semicircle. This is semicircle, right? How can we say that this is semicircle? Because this angle on it is 90 degrees.
Yes.
So it is a semicircle, right?
Yes, sir.
Since it is a semicircle, it is a circle.
Yes.
So clearly it is a circumcircle.
Yes.
Because this angle is 90 degrees, right?
Yes, sir.
It is, see, it is a semicircle. What about this line? What's the name of this line in semicircles?
Diameter, sir.
What is it?
Diameter?
Diameter. What is asked in this question?
Diameters.
So our answer is
3x minus y plus 5 equals 0, sir.
So answer for this question is
Option 3, sir.
Yeah, 3x minus 5 plus 5 is equal to 0. Actually, the question contains answer.
Yes, sir. We did all this for that.
Have you noticed any perpendicular lines in this equation?
So is it 1 and 3, sir?
Yeah, 1 and 3 are also perpendicular lines. Okay. 3x minus 4y is equal to 0. I think some term is missing. 3x. X minus 3y, 3x minus y. The equations of the sides of a triangle are x minus 3y. Okay. See, I would like to tell something about centers. See, it is a triangle. It is a triangle. It is midpoint of one side, right?
Yes.
It is vertex. What happens when we join this vertex and midpoint? It forms a line.
Yes.
Name of this line segment is called, do you remember?
Altitude or height, sir?
No, it
Midpoint?
is median. Altitude is different. I'm
Yes, sir.
telling what is altitude.
Median.
This is altitude.
Yes, sir.
What's the
Got
difference between altitude and median? Median pass through midpoint of opposite side.
Yes.
Median pass through midpoint of opposite side. But altitude need not pass through midpoint.
Midpoint.
Of course, there are cases that altitude pass through midpoint. That case are equal to triangle.
Yes.
In equal triangle, okay, altitude pass through midpoint.
Yes.
And in isosceles triangle, altitude pass through midpoint. Okay, but not in all cases. In other cases, altitude may not pass through midpoint of opposite side, right? So it
Yes.
is called height or altitude. Its name is altitude, right?
Yes, sir.
Now its name is median. If
Median.
the line joining vertex and midpoint of opposite side, okay, the line joining midpoint and opposite side is called median. This is
Yes, sir.
another median. This is another median.
Yes.
Three medians meet at a common point. That is called concurrent point. Medians are concurrent. Concurrent means having a common point. That means intersecting. The word intersecting is used for two lines. These two lines are intersecting lines. These three lines are concurrent lines. The difference between concurrent lines and intersecting lines is the word intersecting is only for two lines.
Yes, sir.
More than two, the word concurrent is used.
Yes.
So three medians are concurrent.
Yes, sir.
The point of concurrence is called centroid.
Yes.
The point of concurrence is called centroid. The same way, three altitudes are concurrent. This is first altitude, this is second altitude, this is third altitude. Three altitudes are concurrent. That point of concurrence is called orthocenter.
Yes.
That point of concurrence is called orthocenter, right? If we draw a circle passing through three vertices, this circle is called circumcircle. See, it is a circumcircle. The center of the circumcircle is called circumcenter. Center of the circumcircle is called circumcenter, right?
Yes, sir.
See, if it is a right angle triangle, see one thing. If it is a right angle triangle, or the center is same as the vertex at 90 degrees is there. The right angled vertex is or the center. So it is the coincide or the center and vertex at which right angle is there. For example, if triangle ABC is a right angle triangle, what is angle B?
90 degrees.
And or the center is also and vertex B. Right? See, one point or the center is right angle vertex. Or the center is right angle vertex. If it is right angle triangle. Okay, if it is not right angle triangle, there is a special method to find or the center. See, what do you understand from this equation? X minus 3y is equal to 0. 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. These two lines, how these two lines are?
Perpendicular.
Perpendicular, very good. These two lines are perpendicular. So, we can draw a triangle. See, this is one line, this is another line. And one more thing you must remember, students, if a line don't contain constant term like this, is there any constant term? X term is x, y term is minus 3y. There is no constant term. If there is no constant term for any equation, it means it passes through the origin. For example, 7x plus 6y, 7x plus 6y is equal to 0. Is there a constant term for this equation? Is there a constant term? No, this term don't have constant term. That means this line must pass through the origin. The lines which don't have constants pass through origin, right? So what is to be understood from these two equations? These two equations are perpendicular. Clearly, these two equations are perpendicular. Okay. Moreover, these two equations are passing through origin.
Yes, sir.
It is origin, right? So clearly, it is at the center. Why it is at the center?
Because 90 vertex
yeah,
is 90.
very good. It is at the center, right? And
Yes.
see, the next line is 3x minus 4y is equal to 0. 3x minus 4y is equal to 0 is another line given in this equation. What is the observation for the what is the observation for this line?
It is perpendicular to second line.
Of course. And this line don't
And
have
it also passes through 0.
origin. Passes through origin. It passes through origin. What is origin here? Or the center is origin.
Yes, sir.
Or the center is origin. And this line passes through the origin. What is origin? What is the origin here? Origin and or the center both are same. Origin is equal to or the center. In this particular case, okay. The equation 3x minus 4y passes through origin. So it passes through, which option is correct? In center, centroid,
Right.
or the center?
Circumcenter.
Right.
Circumcenter, sir.
Yeah. It is somewhat typical question. We will discuss it again.
Oh, right.
Can you figure out this question?
A, B, C are the vertices of triangle. Then the equation of the altitude to the vertex.
Right.
Vertex A is.
Can you answer this question, Jyoti? What are the coordinates of A? 1, minus 1.
1, comma, minus 1.
Yeah, students, I request. Okay. Very good. So many students at me. Coordinates of B?
4, comma, negative 1.
4, comma, negative 1. Right. Coordinates of C?
4, comma, 3.
The equation of altitude through A. This is asked. This equation is asked, right? We know the point. Can you tell slope of BC?
0, sir.
Slope. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1.
So, but
1 by 5.
Not 0. 3 plus
1 by 5.
3 plus 1 by 4 minus 4.
4 minus 4.
y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, right?
Yes, sir.
That is 4 by 0.
Yes, sir. Undefined.
Undefined, right? Undefined. Undefined opposite is 0. Undefined opposite is 0. See, perpendicular. If the slope of a line is 3 by 4, then its perpendicular slope is minus 4 by 3.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Slope, perpendicular slope. If slope of a line is 2 by 3, its perpendicular slope is minus 3 by 2.
Yes, sir.
Slope of a line is 4 by 7, its perpendicular slope is minus 7 by 4.
-7 or
But if slope of a line is 1 by 0, its perpendicular slope is 0. Reciprocal of 1 by 0 is 0 only.
yes, sir.
So slope of this line is 1 by 0 or something by 0.
Yes, sir.
So slope of this line is 0 only.
-0.
0.
Oh, yes.
Reciprocal 0. It is m.
Yes, sir.
Do you remember point slope form?
Y
Y
minus
minus
y
y1 is equal to m times x minus x1.
minus
What is m here? 0.
yes, sir.
X and y1 are?
1 -1, sir.
Yeah, use this formula to find the equation of this line.
Option 3.
Y minus y1, y plus 1, right?
Yes. That equals 0,
0 times anything is 0.
x minus 1.
Yeah, 0 times anything is equal to 0. So y plus 1 is equal to 0.
Y equals 1.
Y is equal to, no. We can stop here. Option is there.
Oh, yes, sir.
Option is 3. Option 3 is
Option
correct. When will you able to continue? After 3 days?
So next week. No, sir. Next week. From next Thursday, sir.
Next Thursday. Okay, right. At that time, you will be learning permutations and combinations and probability. They will be learning different integrations, I think. Different integrations. What next to you, Jyoti? Integrations, different integrations, areas, differential equations, maybe like that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Can you answer this question, Tanika?
Me scared, sir. What is that?
Scared.
Yeah, what is that?
Let us see who will guess correctly. Amma chappandi deeniki answer correct amma.
Option 3, sir.
Okay. Which chapter? Okay. Let's stop. Okay. Of course, keep just for a few minutes.
Yes.
Stop recording. Mode. Stop recording.